Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how to unhide song on Spotify. Before getting started, make sure to update your application to the latest version. In case you haven't updated, then head towards the device's Play Store and on the search box type in Spotify and then tap on the update button if it is available. So after updating your application, also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, I'll show you how to hide a song on Spotify, and after that we'll continue with unhiding a song on Spotify. So all you have to do is watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Spotify application. So as you open up your Spotify application, in the top right corner of your screen you can see there is a gear icon. Simply tap on it, and on the other page scroll down and then look for unplayable song. So what you have to do is you'll have to enable this or turn it on. So without doing this, you'll not have the option of hide. Next, what you have to do is you simply have to open the song that you actually want to hide. Now for example, I'll go with this one. So after you tap on the music and once it is full screen, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen. So once you do that, you have this option called hide this song. Just simply tap on it and here you go, that the song has been hid. In order to unhide the song, it is very simple. All you have to do is go back to your home page, tap on the recent played, or you can simply tap on the timer icon or the clock icon in the top right corner of your screen. Open the music or just tap on the music. So as you open up your recent playlist, and those music that you've recently hid will have an icon just like this. You can see there's a circle icon and right in center there's a dash. You can see there are two icons in two different songs, which means that these are the hidden song. So in order to unhide this, all you have to do is just simply tap on this circle icon. So once again, do the same thing. Just tap on the circle icon which is right over here, and then the song will be unhide. So that is how simple it is to unhide a song on Spotify. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.